Hey guys, what's up? Thanks for checking out the video. We have a new phone right now, a small, older phone, because when I was wheeling earlier, look what happened. Destroyed, front and back, so we got a new phone. Hey little Pia, hi, say hello. Got a little kitten sleeping there, but we are just going into the TrueMoto app for the Noisy Cricket. Whoops, I accidentally hopped out of it. I'm going to update the firmware real quick. It says 5 minutes, but it typically takes a lot less time than 5 minutes. Alright, it's at 39% progress, but while we wait, I'm going to show you me feeding my kitten, Pia. Gotta get that kitten pate. It's dinner time, and she likes her pate more than she likes the tuna. Alright guys, that did actually take 5 minutes, but we've got the controller updated. And we're just gonna run 10 kilowatts right now and go rip it. So let's do it. Okay guys, I haven't been on the Razor in a little bit, but I had to get it all dialed for my visitor coming this weekend, which you'll see very soon, because we need both bikes so we can ride. But the reason I haven't really been on the Razor is because I've been obviously focusing on the XXX, getting good on that. Plus I just needed to do some basic like chain maintenance and miscellaneous stuff to the Razor, and you know how I am with bike work, I'm lazy. But we're back out now, and I'm remembering why I love this bike so much. Everyone's out getting their graduation photos, I guess. I did forget how ridiculous it is riding this thing, though. Like with the XXX, it's like maybe a little more respectable. The Razor is just straight comical, which is funny. See how we can combo this thing. Oh, we're comboing it, baby. Forgot how powerful this is. I mean, it's 10 kilowatts right now is what we're running. Oh my God, target locked. Let's go follow that little Benelli. Guys, also, I'm sorry if you just get some super pasty legs as your view for this, but it's warm out. And we're on the Razor, so we're gonna wear shorts. It's a 135, right?
Yeah, Benelli.
Benelli, yeah, my buddy used to have one. Can you wheelie it? No? Ah, come. That's fair, that's fair.
$800 man.
Yeah. Yeah.
What's that?
This is a Razor, bro. Like, you know the kids' bikes?
Yeah, MX650?
MX500.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's got a full Electro & Co. 15 kilowatt kit on it.
Oh, that's hot.
Yeah,
I got
yeah.
one of these.
Oh, you do?
Yeah,
Oh,
I actually dropped it off to get the 3 batteries replaced, but I wanted to get the electric and code.
yeah. It's so worth it. Hey, if you want to get it, use discount code ConnorG. It'll get you 5% off.
Gotcha.
Yeah, I got it, Instagram. This is what it is.
That's hot, that's hot, that's hot. I'm gonna do the same thing, man. I'm about to go to the gym, bro.
Oh, hell yeah. All right, go get your pumping, bro. Ride safe, all right? Cool, dude. Woo-hoo-hoo. But yeah, guys, like I just mentioned to that dude right there, if you're looking to buy anything from Electro & Co., I now have a discount code. They set up the whole affiliate thing a little bit ago, but I, just didn't realize it, so I didn't set up a code. But now if you use code ConnorG, you will get 5% off at checkout, and it'll help benefit the channel, so. It's actually easier to swerve on the XXX because the wheels are thinner. These little 12-inch Supermotos are pretty wide, actually. Let's get the speed going. I do love having all this power, I'll tell you that. Eventually we'll go 72 volt on the XXX and also have this power. All right, here are the bikes. I love surprising them, dude. Oh, I know those guys. That exhaust looks like it's about to fall off. I just got the hand drag on camera. I don't know where these guys are going. Oh, I'm not following them up Kelly Drive. No shot. There he is. Hey! He's on his quad. Dude, I don't know where Miles just went. Yo, what's up? Yo, did you just see a quad roll through?
What?
Yeah, like an LTZ 400?
Oh, we just got up there.
Ah, I'm trying to find where he went. Hey, you got a sticker. Let's go. That's fire. I need to order more of those things.
You said you wanted the picture. Oh, I get a picture.
Oh, you want a picture? Yeah, for sure. You guys called me in rare form. I barely ride this bike now. Hey, let's go. I'm gonna go try to find Miles, but I'll see y'all. It's so funny, guys. Once it gets warm here in Philly, whew, everyone is enjoying it. You got all the cars and bikes and pedal bikes and electric razors. All of them are outside. Whee! This is way too fast to be going on a razor, but it's so freaking fun. Oh! There's Mike. All right, sorry, Miles. I'm not meeting you. What's up, buddy?
What's up, my guy?
How we doing?
Good.
Good. Hey, for those of you wanting that razor content, here you go. Can I still circle this? Oh, it looks like I can. Close quarters, too. Well, guys, we got all the bikes outside right now. They're charging up. But I think it might be time for a beverage. Hi there. I guess the puddler's room, please.
Your cards?
What's that?
Your age card? Age cards. You have a license?
Oh, yeah.
Can I see it?
Yeah. I just haven't heard it called age card before. All right, beverage break is over. A-Rob rides just pulled up, so we're gonna ride a little bit. All right, guys, we are out from the cafe. Just 3 of us now. Oh, this thing is a lot of fun. I forgot about it. I haven't been showing her any love. I'm sorry, Razor. Promise I'll ride you more. Let's get a nice clean hand drag here. Ready? Oh wait, actually, I'm gonna recruit A-Rob to get me clips on the Razor. We just last video were doing clips on the XXX. Alex, I have a job for you. All right, coming up on City Hall here. The Razor is a lot of fun. Like, yeah, baby. It just has to be, you know, taken care of. Oh my gosh, the circles are so tight on the Razor. Charger's getting after it. Oh, it's so nice to be able to pull this thing up at speed though. Just cruising down South Broad now. Let's see if we can get a hand drag here. Ready? Oh. Got him. Woo-wee. We are just tearing it up right now. See, when it's warm out, everyone is so happy. Look at this happy couple in the Mustang, the convertible, just outside for a nice drive. Sheesh! Everyone loves this bike, man. Wow! Oh my gosh. Definitely feel more ballsy to try stuff on the Razor though. Alrighty, let's get back to sit down. Oh! I don't know where we are, but I'm just riding, you know. See if we can swerve on this little thing. Ooh, and to a stop. Dip. I hope he has a good day. All right, and the ride continues on. Oh, what's this? Oh, a little trail here. Excuse us. Oh, little boats over there. What is this? I've never been here. Whoa, this is cool. Of course you gotta wheelie it, you know? Oh, look at that spiral staircase. That's interesting. Alright guys, GoPro's about to die. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you next time though. Peace. Ah, that would have been cool.